Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rainbow 6 crashing easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to graphics settings, turn off this option and then I mean turn it on, make sure it's on, and after that you will need to restart your PC, so just restart it, and after starting your PC go to GeForce Experience and now go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and after that just go back and then click here and go to task manager. Now go to memory, click on memory to the application that takes your memory, right click and in task just close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome or any browser, and that's it. Just close it and make sure that you know what they do, and that's it. After that try again and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.